Welcome to our English grammar series. Today we will be learning about the affirmative forms of have got. This is an essential part of English grammar for expressing possession. Let's get started. The phrase have got is commonly used in British English to express possession. It is equivalent to have. For example, I have got a car means the same as I have a car. Here's how it's structured. I have got. You have got. He/she/it has got. We have got. They have got. Let's look at some examples. I have got a new phone. You have got a lovely house. He has got 2 brothers. She has got a cat. It has got a new feature. We have got tickets for the concert. They have got plenty of time. Common mistakes include using have got incorrectly. Remember, it's I have got, not I has got. Also, avoid using have got with past tense. For example, I had got is incorrect. Instead, use I had. Now it's your turn. Practice forming sentences with have got. Try these subjects I, you, he, we, they. For example, I have got a pen. Write down your sentences and practice saying them out loud. In conclusion, using have got correctly can help you sound more natural in English. Remember to use the right form depending on the subject. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our Facebook community. Our Facebook page is Best Smart Education. Subscribe for more English grammar tips and tutorials. Now let's proceed into a summary table. Subject. Affirmative. Form example sentence. I have got a new phone. You have got a lovely house. He/she/it has got. He has got 2 brothers. We have got tickets for the concert. They have got plenty of time. Now we will explore the yes/no interrogative forms of have got. Learn how to form yes/no questions with have got to ask about possession. Perfect for ESL learners and anyone looking to improve their English skills. To form yes/no questions with have got, invert the subject and the verb have. For example, have I got a pen? Have you got a car? Has he got a job? This structure is similar to forming questions with have. Let's look at some examples. Have I got the right answer? Have you got a minute? Has she got any siblings? Have we got everything we need? Have they got the tickets? Common mistakes include not inverting the subject and the verb have. Remember, it's have you got, not you have got. Also, ensure you use has for he, she, it. For example, has she got, not have she got? Now it's your turn. Practice forming yes/no questions with have got. Try these subjects I, you, he, we, they. For example, have you got a pen? Write down your questions and practice saying them out loud. In conclusion, forming yes/no questions with have got is straightforward once you remember to invert the subject and verb. Now here is a summary table. Subject, interrogative form. Example question. Have I got? Have I got the right answer? You. Have you got a minute? He, she, it. Has he, she, it got? Has she got any siblings? Have we got everything we need? Have they got the tickets? Now we will explore the WH interrogative forms of have got. Learn how to form these questions with have got to ask about possession in more detail. Perfect for ESL and EFL learners and anyone looking to improve their English skills. To form WH questions with have got, start with a WH question word like what, where, who, followed by the subject and have. For example, what have I got? What have you got? What has he got? Let's look at some examples. What have I got in my bag? Where have you got the tickets? Who has she got with her? What have we got planned for today? What have they got to say? Common mistakes include forgetting to start with the WH question word. Remember, it's what have you got, not have you got what. Ensure the WH question word is at the beginning. Now it's your turn. Practice forming WH questions with have got. Try these subjects: I, you, he, we, they. For example, what have you got in your hand? Write down your questions and practice saying them out loud. In conclusion, forming WH questions with have got is easy once you remember to start with a WH question word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our Facebook page Besmart Education for more English grammar tips and tutorials. Now, let's proceed with the summary table of Chapter 3. Here is the summary table. WH question word, subject. Interrogative form, example question, what? I, have I got? What have I got in my bag? Where? You, have you got? Where have you got the tickets? Who? He, she, it. Has he dot, she dot, it, he got? Who has she got with her? What? We, have we got? What have we got planned for today? Or what? They, have they got? Or what have they got to say? In this video, we covered the use of have got in both affirmative and interrogative forms. Let's summarize what we've learned. Affirmative forms of have got. We use have got to express possession. Examples include I have got a new phone and they have got plenty of time. Interrogative forms of have got, yes, no questions. To form yes, no questions, invert the subject and have. Examples include have you got a minute? And has she got any siblings? Interrogative forms of have got. Well, questions. To form WH questions, start with a WH question word, followed by the subject and have. Examples include, what have you got in your hand, and where have you got the tickets? By mastering these structures, you can effectively communicate possession and ask questions about possession in English. Remember, have got is commonly used in British English, but understanding it will enhance your overall grasp of the language. Thank you for watching our English grammar series. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and join our Facebook page, Besmart Education.